Hello everyone, welcome to Land Reality Consult. Ladies and gentlemen, here you will learn amazing things with respect to GIS and land administration issues. So let's go straight to our today's business. And it is, I've asked a surveyor to carry out some survey work for me. And he went to the field, he came out, he produced a site plan. He gave the site plan to me. But I'm not convinced. What if he did not go to the site? He just went to another location and bring me a different site plans. So I want to leverage on the power of GIS to really confirm whether the surveyor has actually gone to the site, whether he has picked the right coordinates, and whether he has prepared the map in relation to the location. So I'm going to use Quantum GIS to geo-reference the site plan, overlay it in the area satellite imagery of the area, and then I'll convert it into KML file, and then I'll upload it into my mobile device, and then it will show me directions straight to the site. So this is what I'm going to do. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to my channel for more innovative content. So let's get started. So this is a site plan that he produced. It's in PDF. That's locality, district, region, and the area is 1.042 acres or 0.422 hectares. So that is the site plan that he brought, and these are the control points or the grid values. So I'm going to carry out a simple geospatial analysis to actually confirm whether he has gone to the site or not. So let's get started. This is my Qgis, and with Qgis you need to install a plugin. You can manage plugin, go to this, and then you can type geo-reference. I've already installed it. When you are if you see it, then you come here and then you install it. Here will be installed, here will be highlighted, so that you click here install and it will be installed. So once you've installed it, when you come to raster, it is here. So let's open it. You go to settings, transformation type, put in template span, and the resampling method, put it in nearest neighbor, and the target SRS, that's the code, the SR special reference system that they use to prepare that site plan, or they use it to take the coordinates and prepare the site plan according to that specific special reference system. So you need to know the special reference system that they use to prepare that map. For Ghana, we use EPSG 2136 Accra Ghana National Grid. So that's what we are going to use. And here you type save GCP points, and then load in QGIS. You type them. Just this. When it is done, you click OK. After it is done, then you bring the site plan. This is it. So this is a site plan. I've loaded the site plan. So you just go straight to carry out our georeferencing. So you zoom in, you come to the intersection of the points, and this is it. So this is one. X is the eastern, which is 97,500, and the northern is 29,500. 28,000. That is the northern. You click OK. You need 4 control points to have a very successful georeferencing. This is add point. Click on it and you come here, add, and zoom out. So the is 980,500, 980,500, and then 29,000. You pick your hand to zoom out and you come here, add, the eastern is 980,500, and then the northern is 28,000. 28,000. $980,500. So click and then zoom out and then come to the last point. That is this. And it is 979,500, 979,500, and then we have 28,000. So when it is done, you can go to settings again, and then template sample nearest neighbor ESPG2136 output raster, where the location that you want it to be. So I'll put it on desktop, and then you click OK. So when it is done like that, then you click on this green arrow, georeferencing. So the georeferencing has been successfully done. So we can close this, and it has been added to our canvas. So with this, let us bring some satellite imagery into the whole thing. So this one, search queue. So when you search here Google satellite images, they will come. Yes, you see them, they are already there, so you can add them according to what you want. So this one I will just add this. Yes, you can try different ones and see. So I will try this to see. So now this is the site where the surveyor went to pick the coordinates. So first of all, you can just look at the area imagery, and this is around central region, and definitely the plan indicator, it is in the central region of the Republic of Ghana. So you see it, this is it. So let's digitize and take away the other part of the sheet. So we go to layer, create layer, and then you come to new shapefile. So you click on it, and the name is maybe KF, and then I want it to be a polygon because I want to digitize around the area. And the special reference system is EPSJ2136 Accra / Ghana National Grid. So the length 80 and those things. So, and then you find where you want to save it. This one to desktop. So that's where you want to save it. And you click OK. So that is the KF. So we then start editing, toggle editing, and then we will just digitize. So here you pick add polygon, click on this, and click here. So now we've taken away the other aspect, and that is now we are having only the parcel displayed at the geographic point on which the surveyor picked the coordinates. So at this point in time, if everything is okay, you can save, and then that is all. So meaning that we have now taken out the sheet. So with this, we can save this one as a KML file and then upload it into your mobile device, and straight it can show you direction to that parcel of land. But based on the preliminary information that I had, this parcel located in this area. So you can just right click here and export and save feature as. Then you pick keyhole makeup language, that's KML, and then where you want to save it, maybe desktop, KML, spatial reference CRS is in this, everything, and then okay. They are exporting that layer. So we have now successfully exported it, and this is the Pro K element. So let's try to put that thing on Google Earth, or if you also have an app, mobile app device, you can put this, or a GPS. You can use a GPS and load it, and then it will just show you direction to that same parcel of land. So here, let me import that KML file. KML, all file types, all files, and there is it. Then you open it. We are going to the area. You see, isn't it wonderful? We have gone back to that place. So if you want more interesting, innovative content, kindly subscribe to Land Reality Consult for more good content. Thank you very much.